You know, both of us grew up in the millennial era, especially in Pakistan. Feminism naya import hua tha and all of these ideals and thoughts. But we're now at a point where like, कि ये हमें गलत बताया था? Yeah, is it really worth it? Yeah, really like pushing ourselves to the limit के हमने घर भी manage करना है and then also have a career.
That is really glamorized in our society. Like पहले ये होता था, I think it was being a very घरेलू लड़की and staying at home. Now what's idealized is कि is she able to balance everything? Is she that superwoman who can have a great career but at the same time take care of the kid and manage everything? So I think just people complimenting each other कि यार उसको देखो कि वो हर चीज balance कर लेती है.
And वो नहीं कर रही balance. Just by the way, she is not
miserable
managing
inside.
it. So, Mayim, do you think कि coming back to what I said, do you think कि feminism ने ज़रा oversell कर दिया है independence?
We have to understand why this is happening, right? It's because women have to do both. Agar, for example, as a man, you go to work and if you don't have any other responsibilities, a lot of men do in today's day and age, they split responsibilities and all. But let's talk about a normal household, a normal Pakistani household. They usually do not have a responsibility to, you know, come back home and then also look after the house.
Yeah.
So I think with women, the case is that we are getting tired because we have this dual responsibility. We can do it all.
Yeah.
Like women can do it all. They can manage it all. But unfortunately, I think especially in my case and all the women who are around me now, you know, whether it's work, my friends, everybody's super tired.
I think हमें complete picture नहीं दिखाई गई थी.
Okay, what happens
And
after you do all?
एक घर सिर्फ औरत से तो नहीं चलता, आदमी और औरत दोनों से चलता है. So you've emancipated the woman, but you've handicapped the man in
Yeah.
some ways.